So let's now have a look at the profit and loss statement from Xero. Is accounting software Xero, and this is demo company, and we have a year ended 31st of March. So basically the statement is ran from 1st of April up to 31st of March, because it says here 1 year, right? So the year. Now you can clearly see sales. So the sales we've made that year, any purchases, and we will look into cost of sales slightly later in the next slides. But the purchases we have to produce goods or anything connected to our inventory, and we get a gross profit. So sales minus purchases, we get gross profit. But what's important for us to see is all of these expenses. So you can see admin costs such as general costs, lights, postage, printing, rent, all of those here under admin costs are expenses, and we get to the profit. We could also get to loss, but here in this case we have a profit, and of course we pay tax on profit. So we need to calculate the tax on profit, deduct it, and then we'll get profit after taxation. In this example, it wasn't calculated because it's a demo company, but if you have 20% on profit, so 20% on 11,487, deduct, and then we get profit after taxation. Balance sheet, as we mentioned earlier, we talked about this. We have fixed assets, which are tangible. Here in this case, we have a computer equipment. We have current assets, such as cash in the bank and receivables from our clients. We have liabilities section that we need to pay for VAT, payables, any historical adjustments we have here. And then we have total assets less current liabilities, and which should balance, and it does balance, to our capital and reserves. Within the presentation, I put the link for both of the reports. You can have a look in your spare time if you'd like to see a bigger picture. And if you have any questions, you can also send me a message.